deeper than the deep sleep plus complete awareness. That gives a tremendous bliss. So in Pyramid Spiritual Society clearly mentioned that samsara and nirvana are to be balanced. Then I am working afterwards also, and I wanted to do more meditation because I know that the formula, the path is in the meditation to get the ultimate bliss. Yogi doesn't sleep. Yogi means he's meditating all night. He's in awareness. He's utilizing his time for the fullest. I wanted to meditate all night. Then I took a just bed sheet and tied myself to my chair. I experimented like that. A lot of gradual evolution happened. For the 10 years, for the next 10 years, I meditated like that, on sitting and meditating all night. The quality meditation. So in meditation, we receive certain amount of energy. In deeper meditation, the quality meditation, we see higher amount of energies. Your quality of meditation can increase more than the sleep, more and more than the sleep. The deeper you go into meditation and stay awake, and awareness only is possible. With awareness only you can go deeper and stay there. Here, when we master this delta state, the deepest, how to go deep and stay there, that's very important. What happened in this scientific experiment is, in a day we need that 1 hour 15 minutes delta sleep. Nirahara Yogini. So she's in Hyderabad near Mehdipatnam. I met her and she's also talking. Just one sentence she said. Nidra samayamlo dhyanamlo unte shaktuలు జాగృతం అవుతాయి. She told in Telugu language.